As your father lay bleeding, he begged me to end his life. It gave me pleasure to watch his anguish, and I will have that pleasure again, watching yours. Step into my lair and get ready to meet your maker.
I have heard of your many exploits, but have not seen you in action, so indulge me. I shall give you charge of my army, as well as the honour of marshalling the final assault. Sir Longarm and I shall observe.
Put an end to the wolf using the combined forces of Sir Longarm and the king. You have vanquished the majority of his main army, but the wolf still has many men left, and his stronghold is rumored to be impenetrable. He has discovered the secret of boiling oil, so do not approach too quickly. Instead, make use of the new trebuchet to weaken him from afar.
Moving off!
You can count on us. Off we go.
A message from the wolf.
Soon you will see what it means to wage real warfare.
Where are we going?
Moving catapult.
Always ready.
Decommissioning. Decommissioning. Catapult ready, my lord. Moving catapult.
Tell us what to do.
Shield resighting. Catapult ready, my lord. Moving catapult. Moving catapult. Preparing. Preparing. Location noted. Catapult ready, my lord.
Stone needed.
What needs doing? Constructing siege equipment.
Stone needed.
Decommissioning. Our tools are ready. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Trebuchet ready, sir. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Calculating.
Instructions! Quick! March! We await orders!
Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Calculating.
Here comes the cow. Hope they like beef. What a stench. Get that thing launched. Ready, sir. Forward. At the double. Good as dead. Fall in. Quick. There, history. Reloading. Attain. Wait for it. Jump to it. I don't have a shot.
Stone needed.
Decommissioning.
Set us a task.
Stone needed.
Decommissioning.
How can we help?
Constructing siege equipment.
Sir!
Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Calculating. Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. 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 Calculating.
Shoulder! Homs!
Calculating.
Here comes Bessie! Preparing carcass.
Trebuchet ready, sir. Calculating. Trebuchet ready, sir.
Stone needed.
Decommissioning. Your Grace. Setting up now. Constructing siege
You need
equipment.
something built.
Trebuchet ready, calculating. Trebuchet ready, sir. Trebuchet ready, sir. Trebuchet ready, sir.
Ready, sir. You can count on us.
Let's ride! Mount up! Overwrite.
Saving!
You have something in mind? To horse! We see no route! Let's ride! Mount up! To horse! 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 Let's ride! Mount up! No route!
Fall in!
What is your thinking? To horse! Let's ride! Mount up! To horse! Let's ride! Mount up!
Attention! Jump to it! Sir! Forward! At the double! Quick! March!
Shield
Shoulder!
resighting.
I don't have a shot!
Good as dead.
Their history. I don't have a shot!
What needs doing? Our tools are ready. Constructing siege equipment. Trebuchet ready, calculating. Set us a task. Constructing siege equipment. Constructing siege equipment.
Where are we going?
Trebuchet ready, sir.
Here comes the cow. Hope they like beef. What a stench. Get that thing launched.
Trebuchet ready, sir. We'll try our best.
Always ready.
Move, you dogs!
Trebuchet ready, sir. Decommissioning. How can we help? Constructing siege equipment.
Ready, sir.
What'll it be? Tell us what to do.
Shield resighting.
Overwrite this.
Saving.
Need some muscle?
What
I
a
hate
lousy
water.
job.
What a lousy job. What a lousy job. What a lousy job. Digging. I hate water. What a lousy job, boss.
Shield ready.
Yeah.
We're
I hate water. What do you need? Great. Need some muscle? What a lousy job. I hate water. What? Yes, boss. What a lousy job. Yeah, I hate water.
We are the
Great. Moat digging. What a lousy job.
They're chicken.
Bash
They
him,
won't
they're
want it
dead. You can count on us. Move, move. Here we go!
Move, you dogs.
They're
What
chicken
do you
fat,
need
them
some,
lads.
or what
Need some muscle. They're chicken
dead
feed. What? Where are we going?
Overright.
Saving!
Yes? We are on our way. Leaving now. Moving off. We are on our...
Loading!
Always ready. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now. Off we go. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now. Off we go.
Shield ready.
What'll it be? Tell us what to do. Yes, my lordship.
Archers, ready.
We're leaving now. Off we go. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now. Off we go. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now.
My bow is yours. Leaving now. Moving off.
An impossible location. Shield resighting.
Me lord, we are on our way. Leaving now.
Shield ready.
Instructions. Moving off. We await orders. Not arrows. Finding targets. Take steady aim. Arrows ready. Not arrows.
Shield ready. Shield ready.
Finding targets. Take steady aim. Overright.
Saving. Shield ready.
Shield resighting.
Shield ready.
We are on our way. Yes, leaving now.
Falling!
Shield ready.
Arrows ready.
Shield ready.
Reloading!
Shield ready.
Wait for it!
Shield ready. Shield ready.
Off we go. You can count on us.
Shield ready.
Overright.
Saving.
Shield resighting.
Attain. Shot. Shield ready.
Who's dead?
Shield ready. Shield resighting. Shield ready. Their history. Where are we going? Shield ready. Shield ready. Exiting siege equipment. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Reloading! Always ready. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Wait for it! This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Tell us what to do. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving this now. This device requires skilled engineers. Who's just dead? Off we go. Peace no problem. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. You can count on us. Where are we going? This'll be easy. Always ready. Yes, my lordship. We're leaving now. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Their history. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. What'll it be? Jump to it! Reloading! Tell us what to do. Off we go. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Saving! This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. This device requires skilled engineers, my lord. Shield resighting. Shield resighting. Shield resighting. Shield resighting. An impossible location. You can count on us. Yes, my lordship. Forward! Full valor! Where are we going? Shield resighting. Always ready. Manning siege equipment. Your grace. Moving this device requires skilled engineers, my lord. We're leaving now. Off we go. Shoulder! Hogs! Tell us what to do. Simple. We run them through. Where are we going? We stand ready.
Victory!
You plunge your sword up to the hilt into the wolf's chest, then twist the blade. As he looks down at his open wound in astonishment, you push him over the parapet. With With your father's death avenged and the king back on his rightful throne, you can finally rest. Throughout the entire kingdom, there was much rejoicing, and everyone lived quite happily ever after. Well, maybe not everyone.
Well done, sire. You have completed the Stronghold campaign. I always knew you would.